Okay, okay. What other brush?
Okay.
I don't know.
I did it.
You wanna try
Bump.
this one?
Yes.
Okay, what color?
Rat. I will go at rat.
Red?
Yes.
Okay, there you go.
Thank you. Right there, I can
Inside the square, Noah.
do. Okay.
In the square, sweetie. In the square. There you go. In the square. There you go.
Whoa.
Careful. Okay. Hold on.
I'm sorry.
Oh, that was an accident, baby.
Oopsie, oopsie, oopsie.
Okay. There you go.
We will try.
No,
Sorry.
What are you doing? Don't do that again. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. There you go. Here, how about you pick a different color?
I like that one.
Yellow? Get off! Noah!
Don't.
Okay, there you go.
Ooh.
Noah, do it the right way.
Oh, I didn't see no flowers.
Pick a different color.
Right.
Color?
That's right.
White. You can't use white. The white background's white, honey. You want green or blue?
Blue.
What color blue? That one?
Yes.
That one?
I like blue. I
That-
like pink.
You want pink?
Yes, I really like pink. Yeah.
There you go.
Thank you.
Watch. Look at it. See? Look at that.
Wow.
Okay. There you go.
Thank you. I do it, Mommy.
Okay, now let go. Scoot it over. Do another one. A little one. Do a little one.
Alright.
No. That's fine, honey. There you go. Now let go. Do another one. Little. Do another one.
Like the W
I know.
and make it A.
Okay, that's good. Wow. Okay. Pick a different color.
Don't like pink. Don't like pink.
How about you do blue? Put some blue in there.
Yeah. Blue.
Here.
Wow.
Wrong one. Oh, we got the wrong one.
Down.
Here, let's do the background.
That's the way down. Whoa!
There you go. Do the background. Go slow, honey. There you go. There you go. Here. Put your hand back on here, honey.
Not the China.
There you go.
Thank you.
Now, you want to put your name on it?
Yes. Put my name on it. Money. Oh, Noah.
Oh.
Noah.
I know.
Dad, you know what? Maybe Bowser J.
Can't see it. What in the world? Why can't you see it?
Boom. What's that?
Try it this way.
Woohoo!
There you go.
Thank you.
Now we're gonna save it.
We can save it. Oh.
Don't touch, honey. Let it save. Look at mommy. Did you have fun painting it?
Yes.
Look at that.
Wow.
That's so pretty. Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Megan.